Hello friends, I am Sakshi from class 8. Now I am going to show how to make table of any number. For making table, we have to go ideally Python. First open and create a new file. G is a variable. Int input enter any number we use for taking the user value. For I in a range, it is a range function. I is a variable here. 0 is a starting value, 11 is a ending value, 1 is a increment. T is a variable for using to table print. G into I, print T for printing the table. Let's save the file and see how the result. For save the file, we use Ctrl+S. Let's see how the result. For see the result, we have to go F5. Here, the computer asked the number to print. We put 6. Then the result is here. Then the result is here.